Hello and welcome to Inside Indiana Business. I'm Gary Dick. A historic time at the old pill company on the south side of the city. That's how CEO Dave Ricks describes the vibe around Eli Lilly and Company after its latest win. Regulatory approvals of the company's highly anticipated injectable weight loss drug Zepbound, which helped people lose up to 52 pounds in 16 months in clinical trials. It is expected to be a multi-billion-dollar blockbuster for Lilly, which, based on market capitalization, is now the most valuable pharma company in the world. I sat down with Dave Ricks and asked him about Zepbound, the challenge of meeting soaring manufacturing demands, and the role Indiana will play.
It couldn't be a more exciting time down here at the old pill company on the south side of the city. I mean, people are super enthusiastic. It's fun to win. Things like markers like stock price indicate that. There's other ones too. But it's really fun to make medicines that matter.
Lilly CEO Dave Ricks believes Zepbound will matter in the fight against one of the world's most pressing health issues. It is estimated that 4 in 10 adults in the U.S. have obesity, which can lead to other issues like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. It's estimated the market for weight loss medicines could top $100 billion by 2030. And Ricks says Lilly is developing a pipeline of products aimed at becoming the market leader.
There's a triple acting one called retatrutide in phase 3 studies. We have an oral GLP-1, so single acting, but a pill that's in phase 3 now and much anticipated product. And then we have 6 others in the Lilly pipeline. So we continue to innovate and we aim to be a leader here. We're focused on doing everything we can to arrest a common condition. WHO says 1 billion people in the world will have obesity by 2030. Our job is to help them.
The challenge now, meeting soaring demand. Lilly recently announced plans to build a $2.5 billion plant in Germany, part of more than $11 billion in manufacturing investment over the past 3 years.
This is the largest manufacturing investment at a single location in Lilly's 147-year history.
That includes the largest single investment in Lilly history, $3.7 billion for a manufacturing campus at the Leap Innovation District in Boone County that will play a key role in Lilly's plans.
We'll make Zepbound in that facility. So if it's made in Indiana, we should put that on the pen. We make it in other places too, but the main site will actually be here, along with those other 2 I mentioned that are in the late phase pipeline, the triple acting and the oral. So that site's critical to the global rollout and to the growth of the company. We couldn't go faster. We're proud we chose to put that in Indiana. It's the Leap District's key part of that decision.
Just over a decade removed from patent expirations and a restructuring aimed at rescuing the company from some of the darkest days in its history, Lilly is on a roll. Earlier this year, becoming the world's most valuable pharma company based on market capitalization. For Ricks, it represents an opportunity for Lilly to be a catalyst in changing world health.
It's a special moment in the history. Old company, long history. This is a special moment in that history. There are only, you mentioned at the top, 2 things that are really unique. We have really what is the most prevalent chronic disease for adults in the world, obesity. We can change that. We're not saying the cure word, but we can resolve that issue for a huge swath of the planet. But we have to do a lot of things from here. What an opportunity that is. And another one, Alzheimer's, which is usually the most feared condition, worse than cancer or death, to get that condition. And we have a chance to really change the trajectory of that. What else would you want to sign up for to be a part of that kind of mission? That's what I get excited about. I know many of our employees do too.
CEO Dave Ricks from Lilly's corporate center in downtown Indianapolis. Zepbound is expected to be available in the U.S. by the end of the year at a list price of about $1,000 per month. Well, Lilly certainly has contributed to improving global health in multiple ways since its founding in 1876. That's the same year Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. One of Lilly's biggest milestones, the first pharmaceutical company to manufacture and distribute Salk polio vaccine globally back in 1955. Lilly also has a long history in manufacturing drugs to treat diabetes and depression.